Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about introduction to top-down parsing and bottom-up parsing. How we traverse from root node and reach up to the destination node. This concept is a top-down parsing, and how we traverse from leaf node and reach up to the root node. So we have a grammar that is S produces small a, capital B, small e. Capital A produces capital A, small bc, or B, and B produces D. Yes, in top down parsing, it always use the concept of leftmost derivation. So, how leftmost derivation or parse tree is traversed or constructed, we will discuss this thing with an example. So here we start with starting symbol, that is S. S produces what? S produces small a, capital B, and E. Okay, as in grammar, A produces capital A, small b, C. So here we will write capital A, B, C. Again we see that A produces small b. Okay, so we will write over here small b. Now next one is capital B produces D, so we will write over here D, that is small d. Now if we travels from S and S to terminal node, and if we count or what we can say that if we measure or analyze this parse tree, then we will found that we reach up to the our destination node or input node, that is input string. So input string is a, b, b, c, d, e. So here a is there b, b, c, then d, e. So what we predict over here, we will started from starting node and reach up to the our terminal node or leaf node. Now same example, but we will solve with the help of a bottom up parsing. In a top down parsing, it always use the concept of leftmost derivation. So what is leftmost derivation? The production rule is always applied to the leftmost variable. That's why it's called as a leftmost derivation, and exactly opposite to